Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AI Dragon token. Ticker symbol is Chatgpt. Now this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain that is getting at least 2 brand new central exchange listings on very big central exchanges. And we're going to go over the information on the AI Dragon token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The AI Dragon token, ticker symbol Chatgpt. Now, it was just announced that this token will be getting 2 brand new central exchange listings. So, upcoming new listing alert. The Chatgpt token will be listed soon on Lbank and Bitmart. So, you'll be able to get this token by either downloading Lbank or Bitmart from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, getting them on your PC, opening an account, funding your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol Chatgpt, and then simply just buy the token. But you do have to wait until it gets listed. You can follow Lbank's Twitter or Bitmart's Twitter. They will tell you when the exact listing date is yet. They haven't announced the exact date yet. You'll have to stay tuned for that. But if you want to get it before the listing, or if you can't use Bitmart in your country or Lbank in your area, you can use Raydium, which is a decentralized exchange. So you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, solanadragon.fun, use that contract address and change your Sol for the AI Dragon token. Now, there is a Twitter. I'm going to put right on the screen right here. They have 15,200 Twitter followers at Sol_Dragon_coin. You'll see that they have a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Now, if you go to the link tree, they have the official webpage. They have a button to Raydium. It says buy Chatgpt. Click on that. That'll take you to Raydium. Bunch of places to see the chart. So they have Dex Screener, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings there. You can see the chart and information on all those. They also have their Sol scan listed on there. All these places you can also find the contract address. Now they also have a full audit report by Cyberscope, and you can review the security of the token on there. And a bunch of socials. Their X, Instagram, Telegram, and Discord are all linked on that link tree. So all the links are going to be right here on that Twitter. Real easy to find everything. So token price is around the same today. Right now on CoinGecko it says it's down 1%, which is, hardly anything, especially in crypto. And on there they have a full white paper you could check out on their CoinGecko. You could also find their white paper on their webpage. And according to their Sol scan here, it says they have a market cap of a little bit over $11.49 million. Circulating supply of this token is 87,999,710,672 tokens. They have 2,079 holders so far, so they're doing pretty well. And there is 6 decimal places on this token. So, what is this project all about? AI Dragon lands on the moon in 2024 to revolutionize the artificial intelligence industry. Tired of the same old tech giants hoarding all the AI treasure? AI Dragon is swooping in to flip the script We're here to torch the status quo and spit fire at the monopolies. And guess what? You're invited to the feast. Hodl onto your helmets, because we're not just here to take part, we're here to take over. AI Dragon is on a quest to dish out luck, prosperity, and much needed wealth. You'll need a bigger wallet, and not just any wealth. We're talking a shiny, envy-included, dragon-sized hoard of riches that will have you smirking all the way to the decentralized bank. So strap in, future crypto lords, and let's ride this dragon all the way to the moon. The call of the AI dragon, are you ready? In this anarchy realm of 2024, the crypto carnival, as fortunes align in the year of the dragon, a new legend rises, AI Dragon. This isn't just another meme to slide into your DMs. It's the banner of the digital uprising sparked by the mythical dragon's roar. AI Dragon isn't just a coin, it's a crusade, a digital dare, a meme with a mission. AI Dragon's roar shatters the old chains. Welcome to the decentralization unleashed. AI for all, not just the silicon overlords. This ain't a pipe dream, it's the real deal. Sell, share, soar. Got AI smarts? Flaunt them in our marketplace. Join the decentralized autonomous organization. Stake your claim and shape the future. Your idea, your rules. Get rich, dragon style. Hop on the dream building plan. Watch the AI Dragon coin soar and sell your digital and your digital wallet swell. Watch your digital wallet swell. Let's fire up the engines of the innovation and wealth together. Ready to claim. AI Dragon awaits you. So new year, new blessings. The marketplace, council, dream building plan, and dragon development fund are the gifts AI Dragon brings to you this year. So the AI Council is a DAO that melds Eastern philosophy with the fairness of blockchain. Voice your ideas, cast your votes, shape our digital destiny together. They have the Dragon Ball Fund, which is the game changer. It's a revolution in your pocket. From AI, R&D to education, we're spreading the wealth of knowledge. And they have the marketplace where they have NFTs, which is your AI passkey. So they're unique and secure and yours. And you can get proof of ownership and a license for these AI creations. So you can swap, you can get NFTs, hub for creators. Now, how the tokens split up here, it says 50% will be burned, 25% liquidity pool, 15% Dragon Development Fund, 10% development team. And yeah, they started with a total supply of 88 billion tokens, it says here. And it doesn't say anything about taxes, so I don't know about slippage. But it says maybe 5% fee, it looks like. Maybe 10% taxes. It says 5% fee on each transaction for the AI Dragon marketplace. And the fee is automatically distributed to all existing AI Dragon holders. So there's reflections. It says 5% fee for reflections. 4% is for liquidity, 1% for burning. So it's a 10% tax. So you probably have to set your slippage around 10%. I would start out low though, work your way up. But it seems like a high tax. But if you get 5% reflections, 1% burned, I guess that's not too bad. So I don't know. I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.